Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Instagram notifications not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you all know that Apple has officially released the iOS 18. But after updating to it, many of you are complaining that you are facing an issue of Instagram. That your iPhone's Instagram app notifications are not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix Instagram notifications not working issue on iPhones after iOS 18 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first step is to check your notification settings for Instagram through your iPhone settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone, then tap on notifications. Scroll down until you see your Instagram. Tap on it and you have to make sure that all of these settings are enabled. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your Instagram app. To do this, you have to simply go back and go to Instagram app on your iPhone, then close it and try opening it again. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can resolve issues with the app notification. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If this still doesn't work, then I will suggest you to do offload your Instagram app and then reinstall it. To do this, you have to simply go to the iPhone storage, scroll down until you see Instagram, tap on it, tap on offload it and upload it and then reinstall it back. After this, then you have to do is simply check for Instagram updates. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram installed from the App Store. You have to open the App Store on your iPhone, then search here Instagram, tap on it and you have to make sure that the Instagram is updated to its latest version. If you see like this icon update option on your app store for Instagram, simply tap on it and install it. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reinstall your Instagram app. To do this, you have to simply go to the Instagram app, tap and hold on it, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Instagram from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the app store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Instagram notifications not working issue on iPhones after iOS 18 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.